Hadu kumba Shillong ngut nongwan shangkai pyrthei lakhmi lenti kinwan baneshim banta hakata masa Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival 2023 balai singi kanthi kaban sedang nadu ka khat nyau tarik hadu ka khat khandai tarik unai wing ubanwan ya ka baon penlong hapo RBDSA Sports Complex Ribhoi District Hawa pentip ya kane haka khat lai tarik risau Menteri Ketenat Tourism ubat Paul Lingdo ulaong baki khmi lenti ya shibun gejing nong lengba ka kam jengok kai pyrthei haka jela lengba kane kata masa Kindon hadu kumbalai pau hajar ngut ki pajba ki banwan sakhi haka shisngi kata ka bamut haka bakut jong kata masa kin kenjo hadu kumba shila ki nongwan sakhi hadu khandai pau persen na kini ki nongwan sakhi lakhmi lenti bakin dei ki nongwan shangkai ne tourist ki banapo bat kumjo na shabar jong kari la ong bakpol nalor kata ulo pentip ru baka sarkar Meghalaya kamang iwei point khandai phundai klur na baro ka jinglut kaban kot baro syaka khandai klur na kabenta ban penlong ya kani kata masa ba pau khmat haka jela Da ka bapen pau baleng ba kani kata masa kan penyo jimantoi shibon ya kinong ruai bat kinong tem nong put ki badai ki trai jela uba pol ulo ong kinong tem nong put ke jela kin yo lat banya shim mentalang harengkat ki kenhun ba pau khmat ka pyrthei kinong wani shim benta ki ba kham pau khmat ha kani kata masa ki kenthop ya kinong ruai bat kenhun ba pau khmat kata kum uneyo ronan keting sanam Jonas Blue SURL Pink Panda Kenny Musik nalor ki kenhun don sap trai jela ka ba kenthop ya kameba Ophelia Lo Majau Blue Temptation nalor ki babon ki weipat ki nong ruai bat nong tem ba pau khmat ha ka than chate la mingi North East jongkari nalor kata kani kata masa kan omkot tang ha ki jing ruai bat jing tem jing put Henry ki don shibun ba ki weipat ki jing bernya kata kum gajing akop Miss and Mr. Cherry Blossom Pageant, choir contest, graffiti contest, art installation contest, na lor kiwe pan.
Good evening, friends. We here to announce the launch of our season 3 of the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, which is the most vibrant and the most known tourism festival in the state of Meghalaya. Now this event is taking place on 3 days, starting from the 17th till the 19th of November 2023, and the venue will be at the Madan Kurkalang RBDSA Sports Complex at Ribhoi District, Bhoi Rombong. So I'm joined by our director in the Department of Tourism, Mr. C.B. Dengdok, and also our event management, Mr. Jason is here. Briefly, for this year's Cherry Blossom, the government of Meghalaya is investing a sum of 1.99 crore out of the total investment of 9 crore rupees. We are expecting huge benefits for the tourism industry in the state through this festival. There will be a footfall of about 30,000 visitors per day, which means that by the end of the event, we would have had roughly about 1 lakh visitors. 90% of these visitors are expected to be tourists from outside, both domestic as well as international travelers. And some of the tangible benefits of the festival include the involvement of a huge number of local artists and performers. They will be sharing the platform with well-known and established international acts. These include Jonas Blue, Neo, Ronan Keating, Hybrid Theory, and a lot of other international acts. Some of these acts are also well-known Grammy winners like Neo, who is also a singer-songwriter, and Ronan Keating, as all of you must be knowing, is a well-known international artist. And our local bands and solo performers will be sharing and rubbing shoulders with the best in the world. And prior to the launch of the festival here in the state, we have had two road shows, one at Thailand, Bangkok, sponsored by an international magazine, Partyverse, and one held at Delhi. Out of these interactions, the state has also gained, for instance, some of our DJs, like DJ Fabian and Zethan, have been invited to be part of the New Year's celebrations at Bangkok this year.